Hello guys, we are going to install the LED tailgate light on my F-150. I bought this from Amazon. We are going to try if this is better. It's easy to install. There's an adhesive at the back of this LED strip. Putting this or installing it, all you have to do is just plug this pin. This is the 4 pins. So we'll try. So this is the 4 pins. We insert it here. Yeah, there, it works. So it works. But first, we have to secure this with this electrical flexible corrugated split tubing. So this is a wire protector. So we are going to secure this. The reason why we will put this thing, so when we insert it underneath, when we run the wire all the way to the 4-pin socket, and then there's a lot of steel and underneath, some we don't notice if there's sharp edges there, so that will protect it from cutting the wire or getting it shorted. So here I'm gonna put some electrical tape here first. And then we'll put this. So once you put all the wires inside this tubing, then you're going to put the electrical tape, wrap it with electrical tape. Now it's wrapped with a tube and the electrical tape, so it's all secured. All we have to do is install it, stick it there at the back of the tailgate. So we are going to stick it here, underneath here on this tailgate, the bottom of the tailgate inside here. But first you have to wipe it so this adhesive tape will stick. And then we are going to run the wire here. Make sure that it's balanced. So now, after installing it, we are going to run the wire underneath this bumper. this 4-pin, we will insert this to the socket here. So no need for wiring. All you have to do is stick there with a double adhesive, because it has a double adhesive already, and then just insert the 4 pins there. So we're now going to try. So that's how easy it is to install the LED strip light for tailgate. If you like this video, please subscribe on this channel and hit the like button. If you like this LED strip lights for your truck, you can find it on my link. Just check the link below. You will find where you can buy it. It's very affordable. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe on this channel. Have a great day.